This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, the Mini Artist Activity Kit. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, as well as some cut-out colored tissue paper, washable paints, 2 frames for the mosaic project with suction cups for attaching, glue stick, a sponge brush, and 2 mini canvases for the second project. Beginning with the mosaic project, separate the top frame from the bottom frame, which has the tracing paper attached to it. Using the glue, attach the cut sheets of tissue paper all over the tracing paper, alternating colors. Be sure to glue them on the correct side of the frame. It is labeled for you. Once you have covered the entire surface of the tracing paper with the tissue paper, glue the top frame to the base frame. Hook the suction cup through the hole and attach it to any glass surface. When the light shines through it, it will have a stained glass window appearance. For the next project, use your sponge brush to paint over the entire surface of the canvas. Use different colors. Once the paint has fully dried, remove the strips of tape from the canvas. You will be left with a geometric shape painting. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.